last night when you're like, cover the bricks, cover the bricks. And I'm like, in the name of Jesus.
Cover the bricks!
I'm like, in the name of Jesus. I did.
Cover the fire.
That's
Cover
funny.
the
That sounds like
fire.
something
Here
in a
is the
movie.
extra one. Cover the fire.
And I'm like, I did. I covered the bricks, but I didn't understand what you were saying.
Welcome to the channel. Nikki here. How you guys doing today? We're still in Maine, Boston, and this is still day one, but later on in the evening. It was Labor Day long weekend, and we are going to enjoy some food and some festivities. Stick around. Before we get into the video though, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified of new uploads and live stream. And you won't be hearing too much of us speaking in this video because, you know, YouTube and the copyrights and music was playing in the background. So yeah, you're going to be hearing a lot of me. Let's go. I wish you guys could hear the commentary on this in the background and everyone speaking, but trust me, man, this music was just too loud. It's great music, you know, mind you, but YouTube and its copyright and but it was a beautiful night, beautiful music, gospel music, sitting down, enjoying the outside, a nice fire, and yeah, we're looking at the meat. Let's talk about this food. This right here is the pork. And guys, remember, I don't eat pork, but remember me tell you, me name that jerk pork, yeah. Look at Pastor just chefing and cutting up. Pastor can't cook it up. Pastor is the boss at cooking. I'm telling you, by far, best I've ever tasted. I'm not gonna lie. And me love my belly. Okay, so I'm gonna dive in and take a few pieces of this jerk pork and a few of those festivals, and yeah, boy, me almost choke on it though. God forgive me. Me start back eat pork. But it stop eat pork for a little bit. I still don't really feast on it that much. You know, I'll eat chicken bacon, and I don't really buy bacon, but I'll eat McDouble with bacon. You know, but I don't buy pork and say prepare it on my own. So special occasion like this, I'll take a little taste or so. But yeah, that was a mouthful, but it was sweet. It's sweet. Watch and see how me dive down in it. So yeah, that's my plate. And I had to do the one check, you know, to see if me look cute, same way, right? And for the life of me, I don't know why the camera is on my head. The hair pretty though, still, you know, the hair is looking cute and curly and stuff. You don't want to see the middle of it right now. Oh my gosh. Anywho, for the life of me, I don't know how I managed to leave my tripod at home. You know, when you're traveling for the first time in a long while and you know, you just bring in what you think. So I only brought the selfie stick and it wasn't too good, but it did what it did. And what you're seeing is me going for some more festival, you know. It tasted so good with the jerk pork and I can't believe I missed those corns. Are you kidding me? I didn't have a corn? Not gonna lie to you, those two little pieces of jerk pork and my stomach was almost full. But look at this. Look at here. What do we got here? Lobster. Yeah. Lobster and crab. The most massive crabs I've ever seen. Yes, Evangelist Edmund. Go on with your little crab. Oh, oopsie. That was my crab. Hey, Ariel. Me about to eat Sebastian right now. Andale say. Sorry. Oh, OMG, look at that. Let me see how this tastes. Jeez, just look at the face. Need I say any more? That gravy, not too spicy. Jeez, perfect. Jeez, food in my belly. Sebastian tastes good. Well, at least Sebastian gravy tastes good. Look how I'm gonna devour this right now. Guys, just look at me with the crab. Look at my 2 hands in the crab back. This is the meatiest part of the crab. Look at me like a child playing in mud. Like I'm playing in putty. No, sir, Sebastian didn't have a chance around me. It tasted so good. When I was biting into the... You see my face? Just look at my face. Crab of me week.
You see it? Anything sweet you? Go and sour your ass. Radam!
Oh no, right?
My whole 2 hands are done.
Did you actually use your teeth, Nikki? You use your teeth?
For the small crab legs.
Oh, okay.
If it was day, you would have seen how messy I am. With all of the curry and everything.
It's set.
Woo! No, so I can't angle no lobster tonight. Says I, right before grabbing one of the biggest lobster. No, sir.
I was forced it.
That's my story. And I'm sticking to it. Boy, let's see if I can really finish this lobster as well. I don't know what this stringy looking thing was that I took out first. But
That's nasty.
still, that didn't stop me from going at it. Let me tell you, I wasn't going to give up. I tried everything with this lobster. I tried using my teeth. I tried using that crab cracker, whatever that thing is called. That silver thing that you used to break it. Boy, at one point I wanted to try and use my foot or even one of them stones. Straight yardie style.
Never had been seen this yet.
Well, that was that for Mr. Krabs and the lobster.
Fireworks.
Ooh, I just love how the heat feels right here. No closer though. Ooh. So Pastor had a light attached on the top of his head where he was doing the fireworks, and this is the only way we knew he was coming.
Some. Woo. Still up one? Eee. Sure. Watch him run. Whoa. Yeah. Yeah. Woohoo! That was really nice.
I like the other one though. See the one with the door to the pan.
So that was that for the fireworks. It was so nice, but music was back on, and we just spent the rest of the night relaxing, taking in the nice cool weather, because Maine, as you could see from the first video, it's very bushy, a lot of forests and trees and stuff. So the fire was so nice. Just sit down and enjoy and have a glass of wine and talk. I ain't even gonna lie, at this point the wine was talking to me. I just wanted to go in and go lay down. It was a long day on the road earlier, and it was just so refreshing. I was full, my stomach was full. And the conversation was really nice, the mood, everything, the fire, the beautiful music, the wine. Yes, it was awesome. I'm sorry you guys don't have a chance to hear what we were speaking about, what the pastor was discussing, but like I said before, YouTube and copyright. But thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned, there's lots more to come on my trip to Maine, Boston, USA. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified of new uploads and live stream. We are blessed and highly favored.